about to go wake up the kids with a fun surprise.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on fun adventures like this one.
So if you're new here, click subscribe to join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get a notification every time we post a new video.
And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up. We are just about to go surprise the kids with some really fun news.
Let's go.
What's the surprise? This is another dog.
Another dog.
Please no. One is enough. Hey, y'all want to see a surprise? Y'all look out the window. Ansley says, I don't want to see nothing.
It's snowing!
I just want to see
So much snow!
Yeah, there's a lot of
I
snow.
want to go and play outside!
We got to get on the road. We don't get stuck here. But we can play in the snow.
It's about to rain, and then that'll turn to ice, and then we won't be able to go anywhere. But y'all get to go play in it.
I'm ready!
You're ready?
You have to leave.
Huh?
You have to leave.
Not before
Oh
you
my
go
goodness.
play.
You can go play in it. I think you'll be done playing in it before we're ready to leave. You can most definitely make a snowball or two.
Or a snowman.
I'm gonna go. Do you want to build a snowman?
Or we can make snow angels.
Ansley, are you so excited?
Mm-hmm.
What are you excited about?
Snow.
Snow? Did you see it yet?
No.
You haven't seen it? Did you see it, Haley?
Yes, it's so bright.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh my gosh, it's so bright.
Stairs.
Where else is there snow? Look to your right. Where else is there snow? Look at the trailer. On the trailer? Kids are about to come out and enjoy the first snow they've seen in a long time, and certainly the first big snow. So, all right, guys, come on. Come on out. Watch your step. Hey, I got a camera, dude. Here, Mommy, you can hold that so that I don't get smacked.
What you got there, Ansley? An ice cream scoop. We're supposed to have stayed in Sun Valley, Arizona last night, but we got a ways down the road and I got so tired. We stopped here at the Sky City Casino RV Park. It's pretty inexpensive. It was only about, I think, $22. And then we got in and you check in at the hotel. We came over here. They gave us a key for the power box. It is very nice. Each space is about 75 feet long. They're all paved. They've got nice dividers in the middle. The hookups are fantastic. We were able to, with no problem, fit the truck, the trailer, even with our carrier on the back, plus the Suburban and the bike carrier on the back. So they're plenty big spots. They're really well maintained, it looks like. It's pretty empty right now. I think this is not their busy season, but it's a really nice place. I would definitely recommend it. The people that I talked to on the phone, super nice. Got us in. We pulled in about 7:30, I think. Photo bomb! I think that would be called a video bomb. We pulled in about 7:30 last night. I called and made a reservation from the McDonald's parking lot, which is like right across the street. We woke up this morning to a fun surprise. All this gorgeous snow. Our kids have been begging ever since it started getting winter-ish. When are we going to see snow? When are we going to see snow? And we have seen it out the window on our trip, but we haven't seen it in person, and they haven't gotten to play in it. So they're very excited. They're out here playing. We really need to be going, but we can't pass up the kids playing in the snow. The snow is supposed to change to rain around noon, and we're afraid it's going to get icy. So we're going to try to head out here pretty quick, but letting the kids have a lot of fun in snow until then. Oh, don't hit the dog. He's so this. What do you think, Kinsey?
Run!
No, no.
You can make a snowman real easily.
I want to make one. Come on!
What you doing, Haley?
Trying to make a snowman.
Cool.
What you doing, Connor?
Making a snowman. Ugh. Haley, you make the middle.
What do you think of the snow, Ansley?
Look,
I see it.
it's part of my snowman.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh my goodness, Ansley, what are you gonna do with it?
Oh. I got her.
Today I'm going to be driving the Stinkmobile. We got Bucky playing the snow. So we got a wet doodle drying off, and he's got a bunch of doggy sweat, so it's pretty smelly up in here. So he's going to be my stinky co-pilot today. We're headed west now. Certainly our first time driving, you know, pulling with snow around, snow falling on the trailer. It's the first time for that. And certainly the first time, you know, driving on some roads, but that might have snow or something on it. But honestly, I-40 west out of where we were is really looking fine.
It isn't snow here at all. Like, this looks like the leftover snow that there was going on the other part. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, there's not much snow here. I mean, just what, 4 or 5 miles down the road. Just kind of crazy. Not nearly as much snow out here, so road conditions are great. Sun's out, road's nice and heated up from all the traffic. We're good to go.
So we made it all the way to Williams. The roads were great. Everything went fine with the trip. So we were glad about that. We're a little bit nervous to leave, but it turned out great.
And the kids had so much fun playing in the snow. I think it made their year to do that.
real.
So it was awesome. I really hope you enjoyed our surprise snow play with the kids today. If you did, be sure and give us a big thumbs up and let us know you liked it.
And don't forget to click subscribe so you can join the Younger Gang and be a part of this awesome community.
Also, we hope you'll check out some of our other videos are right over there. So, stopping for the night because we were exhausted and needed to rest, and then waking up to amazing snow and having a blast playing it with the kids and sharing it with you, that's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.